Welcome to the masterclass. This lesson is taught by my nephew Ayden, who owns his own photography business. He is going to teach us how to download apps either onto our cell phones or tablets, and he's going to teach us that on both the iPhone and Android devices.
Hi there, I'm Ayden, and I'm going to take you through the simplest and most efficient way for you to download new applications onto your mobile devices, such as your mobile phone or a tablet. This will work for both Android and iOS devices. Let's get into it.
It's important to remember that not all apps are free, so check for a price before you download.
Alright, now that we have our mobile devices open, right now I'm working on an iOS device which is produced by Apple. So what you want to do first is you want to locate your Apple Store app. It should look just like this blue icon right here. You want to click on it and you can open it up. Now, if you are having trouble finding it, that's okay. There's no worries there. You press onto the middle of your screen and you pull down. You type in the word app. And when you type in the word app, all different apps that have the word app inside of the title will pop up. When this pops up, the App Store should pop right up. If not, just type in the whole title of App Store. From right here, you click on the App Store. Perfect. Now, you want to come down to the bottom right-hand corner. In this corner, you press the search button with the magnifying glass. From right here, you have search bar. Boom. Now we can just type in whatever app we're searching for. In this case, it's a calculator. So I'm going to type in calculator. Beautiful. And press enter. Awesome. Now from right here, scroll down, pick whichever app you prefer. Let's say I want this one right here. Double click to install. Perfect. And Face ID, and that's it. That is how you download an app. Now from right here, it's going to start installing. Once it's done installing, you will come back over here, swipe, and your new calculator will be right here, or whatever application you like. And that is how you find the App Store and download an app on your iOS mobile device. Alright, let's locate your Google Play Store and download a new application on your Android device. From right here, you want to open up your mobile device just as I have it. Beautiful. Now from right here, you're going to click on this gray button just like that. Once you click on that gray button, you will open up to a slide where you can see all of your applications in one spot. From here, you want to find the Google Play Store, just like that. Beautiful. And if not, if you can't find it, that's okay. You can just search it up on this bar. In our case, it's right here. Let's click on that. Beautiful. Now we are inside the Google Play Store. You will see a bunch of different things, but I'll keep it nice and simple for you. From right here, you want to swipe up all the way so that you see that search bar up there. Click on the search bar and you want to type in whatever application you might need. So from right here, I'm looking for a calculator. Beautiful. Once you have that typed in, just press the little magnifying glass and that is your search button. Beautiful. Now from right here, all you're going to do is select whichever app it is you desire. In our case, I'll click this one right here. Beautiful. Now, all you're going to do is press install. Now it is downloading. Now it is installing. Once that's done, that button will turn green and say open. From right here, the application will open right up. And that is how you find your Google Play Store and download a new application on your Android device.